Well, here we are, 24 Lorikeet Street in the heartland of Nunawading. 3-bedroom brilliance at its best.
More energy, Rob.
Really, Mike?
Yeah.
Fully established garden, solar panels on the roof, and a carport with the opportunity to add a roof.
That's pretty good, Rob.
Yeah.
Come on, Rob, let's sell the kitchen.
Okay, mate, here we are in the heart of the home, the kitchen. Laminate bench tops, beautifully appointed cabinetry, appliances, you cannot go wrong. Even the gold knobs.
Yeah. Hey, Rob, you forgot about the skylight.
Oh, sorry, Mike. Okay, we're in the backyard. We've got single lock-up garage, airtight, questionable. Couple of holes. And locks?
No.
Doesn't have any. Bungalow. Have the clients round, work from home. Maybe.
Rob, what about the shade over there?
Oh.
You forgot about that?
Sorry, Mike.
Come on.
Oh, so Mike, did you think I sold it well in the video?
Yeah, very well, but I still think someone will knock down and rebuild here.
Yeah, you're probably right.